In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email in Gmail effortlessly. Whether you're planning an important message for a future date or want to ensure your email reaches someone at the perfect time, scheduling an email can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and master this feature together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're there, the next step is to compose a new email just like you normally would. So go ahead and click on the Compose button, typically found on the left side of the screen. This will open up a new message window where you can type in your email content, address it to your intended recipient, and even add a subject line that captures the essence of your message. Now, here's where the magic happens. Before hitting that Send button impulsively, look towards the bottom of the email window. You'll notice a small arrow next to the Send button. Click on it and you'll see an option to Schedule Send. Selecting this will unveil a few default scheduling options suggested by Gmail. The suggestions might include sending the email tomorrow morning or even in the afternoon, but you're not limited to these choices. If you have a specific date and time in mind, you have the flexibility to click on Pick Date and Time. This opens up a calendar where you can navigate to the exact date and time you'd like your message to be sent. Think about when the recipient is most likely to read your email or any time zones they might be in that you need to accommodate. Once you've decided on the perfect moment, simply click the Schedule button to lock it in. Your email is now set to be sent at that designated time. But wait, what if you change your mind after scheduling? Don't worry, Gmail makes it easy to manage your scheduled emails. Just head over to the Scheduled folder on the left-hand menu of your Gmail dashboard. Clicking on this folder will show you all your emails waiting to be sent. Find the one you were working on, and if you need to make adjustments, you have the option to cancel the send, reschedule, or edit anything before it's sent out. Scheduling emails not only helps you organize your communication better, but also allows you to maximize engagement by sending it at optimal times. Whether you're planning a marketing campaign, coordinating a meeting, or simply ensuring your message is timely, this feature has you covered. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to schedule emails in Gmail like a pro. Feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions if you'd like more guidance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.